My name is Katelyn Bird. I will sing Steal Away, an African-American spiritual, arranged by Christopher Ruck. Steal away, steal away, steal away to Jesus. Steal away home. I ain't got long to stay here. My Lord, He calls me by the thunder. The trumpet sounds within my soul. I ain't got long to stay here. Green trees abandoned, for sailors stand a-trembling. The trumpet sounds within my soul. I ain't got long to stay here. Steal away, steal away, steal away to Jesus. Steal away home. I ain't got long to stay here. My Lord, He calls me by the lightning. The trumpet sounds within my soul. I ain't got long to stay here. I ain't got long to stay here. Evening Prayer from Hansel and Gretel by Engelbert Humperdinck.